this out. Got a really cool haul here. Toby Canton Head sent some really cool stuff. This is absolutely the coolest knife that I've ever had. Pocket knife, it's an old timer. Really, really nice with a lock blade. Sharp, sharp. What else we got? Oh yeah, we got this knife here. This thing is sharp, sharp, sharp. Look at that bad boy. That's wicked, wicked sharp. Now, it's got this little doohickey that comes with it. Come here, you. It's got this little dealie with it. Anyone know what that is? Is that a sharpener? A sharpener or a steel stick, fire starter? What the heck is this thing? It like attaches to the sheath like that. I don't know what's that. Alright, what else we got? Oh, look at this. We got a really nice pin reel, 4 ball bearings. Super line. Ooh, I can't wait. I got a rod just waiting for that. It's trembling up there in the V-berth just thinking about getting mounted by that. What else we got? Oh, this is cool. Now I've always wanted one of these. It's a underwater fish light. Let's spark it up. Let's spark it up. Alright. I have always wanted one of these. Alright, so the red one goes on the red dealie. The black one goes on the black dealie. Whoa, that's bright. Look at that. Man, it's a good thing I got sunglasses on. I'd be blind. I'm blind. That's going to attract some bait fish. I can't wait to use that. Right on, right on, right on. Alright, alright, alright. Thank you, Toby Canton Head. Dude, you're just awesome. Totally awesome. Toby Canton Head. I like that knife. You know, that's just like something you'd never buy for yourself. That's a nice knife. Now that's a knife. And if that's not a knife, you can pull out this one and go, that's a knife. Maybe nothing like Crocodile Dundee's, but I bet it's sharp enough to shave. Awesome pin reel. You can tell it's springtime here. I got the solar shading up all around. It's looking good, looking good. Getting ready for a trip. I caught some bait this morning. Nice big fat brim. And I got him in the live keep over there. We're going to catch us some fish. Stay tuned, everybody. And thanks for watching. Thanks again, Toby. That's awesome. Anybody else out there want to send something? I need a Ferrari, a new outboard, lots of things. You know, if you want a list, just let me know. Keep watching, everybody.